ETH, we start with the chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned since the price was within downtrend, we mentioned how deep it can go. And even if we refer to our analysis when the price was within this here, we mentioned if you get any opportunity for buy after we get one more drop, we will take the trade. This is what we mentioned, because if we put this low relative to the previous one, if we refer to the indicators, we had a divergence. And for those traders, if they get the trade for buy within here, if they want to keep the trade, at least move their stop loss to break even. They should know how to manage it, because if the price couldn't break the previous top, we can expect for the next drop, because we mentioned we can expect the continuation as a corrective before we see the reversal. And at this point, we see the price of the Bitcoin is moving, and we are expecting to see the breakout of this zone for continuation, but we should know how to manage it in case the price couldn't break. All right. Anyway, we start with the higher time frame. We want to see what we have been looking for. And if we move to monthly chart, we mentioned we are looking at this one as a correction. Any reversal, any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And the targets we have been looking for is 2480, following by 2900, following by 3350. This is the targets we have been looking for with the breakout of this correction. Now the question is, this is the only correction when we can expect the price for continuation, or we can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time before we see the reversal. Anyway, it depends on the overall market, and since the price of the Bitcoin is moving, and we are expecting to see the breakout of the 32K for the Bitcoin, in that case, mostly for the ETH, we can expect the continuation. But at this point, we don't see any trade setup based on monthly. And if we move to lower time frame based on weekly chart, similar explanation, we don't have anything. And the question is, can we expect this one turn to a flat for the next drop? That's why we need to be quite careful. We are not looking for the next drop, but if we get any opportunity for buy, we have to be quite careful about this possibility. And even based on weekly, I don't see any trade setup. Mostly we have to look for the flag based on lower time frame. And even based on daily, we discuss and we explain. And if I move to lower time frame, and for those traders, they get the trade for buy from any of this, especially here, move their stop loss to break even. And for me, if I see the breakout of the previous stop as a sharp following by flag, either based on 4 hour or 1 hour chart, I will take the trade. But at this point, I don't see any trade setup. That means we have to wait. It doesn't mean the price cannot continue, but we have to look for the proper trade setup can give us a confirmation for continuation. And even based on 1 hour chart, we see the divergence. All right. And that's why we can expect for the next flag. By the way, we don't have any trade setup. For sure, if I get any opportunity for buy, I will take it. And I consider as a short term, as long as we see the breakout of this correction. Okay. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any trade setup, then I will share. Thanks.